Hello, bonjour, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cyril. I used to be a stem cell researcher, and this is why I can tell you about the science behind skincare ingredient. For today's video, I'm going to do something that I've never done yet, which is basically to tell you what are my monthly favorites. So I don't know if I'm going to make this video every month. We will see how it goes. Also, most of the products that I'm going to show you today, I did not necessarily get them only on March, but they are basically products that I've really enjoyed to use during this month and for different reasons. So I'm going to tell you, and I also have some products that are completely new. So the first two products that I'm going to show you are basically first cleansers. I am addicted to first cleanser. I love them so much. J'adore. And they are cleansing balm, which in general tends to be my favorite over an oil. I do really love a good balm, especially the one that really transforms into this sort of milky oil that is and that glides super easily on the face. I really love them. So I have two. The first one has been sent to me in PR from Good Molecules. I have actually told them that I did wanted to choose my product because I was interested in some of them, and one of them was this one, which is the Instant Cleansing Balm from Good Molecules. So what I love about this one is that if you basically look at the formula, it is very reminiscent of the Clinique Take the Day Off, and indeed it is pretty close. The only difference is that it does have an essential oils from tea tree. It is not super strong, but still it is there. So of course, if you are allergic to perfume, this one won't be for you. If you are not sensitive to perfume in general, I do not think that they are a major issue, especially in a cleanser. So the next one that I want to show you is this one from the French brand SVR. This is in the line Sensifil that is tailored for super sensitive skin. It only has 9 ingredients. So in English, this is the Double Cleansing Balm Soothing Anti-Pollution. In French, it is le baume double nettoyant apaisant et anti-pollution. And oh, girl, this one so good. I love it. I really love it. So the texture, it comes a little bit like thick, I would say, because, well, it is a balm. But the minute that you're going to melt it on your hands, it just turns into this beautiful oil that really glides on the skin. It is so lovely to use. So it does have a fragrance. It smells like coconut, and it's coming from the coconut oil that you have in this balm. It also rinses pretty well. It is not overly drying on the skin. I mean, I love this product. It is so convenient, and also it is so affordable. Definitely, if you come in France, or if you just live in France like me, try this one, and if you like it, just stock on it. Because most of the time, balms are pretty pricey. They are around 20 euros. This one, I think, retails for less than 13 euros. So, I mean, super affordable, super good. I love it. It glides, it does the work. Love this one. So the next two are basically toner slash essence slash lotion, whatever the name. So they are basically sort of serum in reality, that comes in a bigger format. What I love about them, and especially if you have watched my previous video, is that you can just layer them and also tailor the level of hydration that you need. So for example, in the morning, especially if you are in a rush, you just put them on your hand, then on your face, or conversely, if your skin starts to be super dry, and also in the evening when you have more time, you just layer them, and like this you just increase the concentration of humectants, and overall your skin is has a better hydration. So this is what I love about them. So the first one is again from the French brand SVR. This is the Essence Hydra with 2% of niacinamide. It also has hyaluronic acid. So it is disclosed on the website that the two forms of hyaluronic acid, there is a higher molecular weight and a medium weight. So most likely, if you believe that you are someone who reacts to hyaluronic acid with this one, you will be fine. What is beautiful with it also is that it has glycerin, but also D-glycerin. D-glycerin is almost never found in Western skincare. You do find it, if I'm not mistaken, in Adalabo products. So D-glycerin are basically 2 molecules of glycerin that are linked together, And this is an excellent humectant, and this one is so good and so well, and will replenish your skin with moisture. I really like it. What I also like is that even though it is liquidy, it has this sort of jelly-like consistency, so it's not too runny, so it's perfect to apply it with your hands. So the next one, which is basically also an hydrating toner slash serum, whatever the name is, this one. So this is a Korean product from Slurp Laboratories. What a weird name I found, but whatever. And this is the yellow fruit. So what I like about this one is that it comes in 100 ml. It is not super cheap because it does retail for 54 euros. So I mean, this is not cheap. This one has been sent to me in PR. I've been contacted by Slurp Laboratories. I have asked them a ton of questions about this formula. Maybe I will make a full video or maybe an Instagram post just about this product to really like break down all the ingredients and tell you a little bit more about it. The particularity of this one is the first ingredient, which is erythritol. I'm wondering if this ingredient is not diluted in water and they didn't put water in the formula. I mean, in the list of ingredients. So this is sugar, and this one is really also deeply hydrating, which I really love. There are a ton of ingredients, most likely because you find the preservative quite high, which is chlorphenensis. They are all under the 0.2% of concentration. But this is a good one to try if you are into a K-beauty product and you want something that is really different from what you usually find in the market in terms of formula. This one is one of them. What I also like is that it doesn't have alcohol in the form of ethanol. It doesn't have perfume. It doesn't have essential oils. So overall, it is a pretty good one to try. And like I said, deeply hydrating. So the next product is also a new one that I've been playing with for a couple of weeks now. I think this is this one from Bioderma. This is the Atoderm Intensive Eye, the 3-in-1 anti-irritation care. So this one, again, as an eye cream, it is mind-blowing. This is probably the eye cream, the most moisturizing eye cream that I've ever found in the market yet. And it comes in a 100 ml tube for an eye cream. Like, what the hell? Like, really incroyable. J'adore ce truc. So this cream is very emollient, but at the same time, it has a really thin texture, very like lotion-like. I do believe that it has a lot of mineral oil. This is the second ingredient in this formula, so this is why it is so occlusive. If you have fine lines like I do, like on the side of my eyes, I've always had them. So basically when my skin under my eyes is not well hydrating and moisturizing, I can see those fine lines. This product is definitely will change your eyes area. So what I do with it actually is I use it in two different fashions. The first one is to simply use it as a conventional eye cream, or I simply pack on it, especially in the evening when I do my routine. I put like quite a lot and I leave it for at least 1 or 2 hours, and just before I go to bed I just use my fingers to remove the excess, and you will see how smooth your eyes area will be. It is definitely oily. It has this very oily film that I know that some of you really don't like, but really try it and you will see how different your eye area will be. Two last things about this one: if you have super dry skin, especially at the end of the day when you remove and cleanse your skin, so you have removed your makeup, of course your sunscreen, you have double cleansed your skin and etc., and you really want like a moisturizer like to really lock in everything, or simply like a sort of night mask. You do all your routine and at the end you use this one all over your face, as eyes included, and you will see how well and restored your face is. You can also use it especially on the cuticles of your hand if they are super dry, especially right now, because we all have to wash our hands like maniac. So this one can also help you. And one last thing that is also crazy about this one is that you can use it as a sort of cleansing balm, and it works pretty good actually. So you just pour a lot on your hands, massage them, then you distribute the product all over your face. You massage in and it does break up the makeup. Is it as efficient as a balm or an oil? No, I don't think so. But if you are like on the go, for example, you are you leave the house like, I don't know, you go for on a weekend or something like that. So not right now for sure. This product can be also very useful because it is a good moisturizer, an eye cream, and at the same time, so you can also remove your makeup with it and your sunscreen. Pretty useful. So the next two products are basically sunscreen without any surprise. So those two sunscreens have been the one that I've tend to reach the most. So, well, without any surprise, I have gushed about this one a lot. I have a video describing all the new Anessa, and this is the Perfect Milk from Anessa, the Perfect UV Sunscreen Skincare Milk, SPF 50+ PA rating of 4+. So if you want to know more about this one, go and check my video about Anessa. So several reasons why I've been loving using this one, because it is not too greasy on the skin, so it does feel pretty lightweight, despite the fact that it has a very strong UV protection. I cannot, of course, tell you about the UVA protection, because with Japanese sunscreen PA rating of 4+, you only know that the UVA protection is equal to 16 or above. I do believe that it is above. With this one, I have never suntan or have any problem with it. But what I also love is that it does not transfer on your down clothes. This is important because currently in Paris, the weather is warmer. And when I go outside to walk my dogs, I don't need to put a scarf. So basically I need to put sunscreen on my neck, and I don't like to have a greasy sunscreen that will transfer to my clothes. This is not the case of this one, so this is one of the many reasons why I've been using it quite a lot. The other one is also from Anessa. This one, the Perfect UV Sunscreen Skincare Spray. I've been using this one into fashion. The first one is to simply spray my hands, so I go quite hard, then I wrap them. This is a super expensive way of using, of course, sunscreen for your hands. You don't have to use this one. But what I like, again, pretty lightweight. It doesn't transfer into the clothes. It is not sticky and etc. So this is why I love it. And I use it when I will go outside. I do wear sunscreen when I'm inside. Currently, I mostly use the Purito, the Inscented Centella sunscreen from Purito. But when I go outside, I use this one. I've also been using this one the day that I want to wear makeup and a little bit of powder. I also use it like to fix the makeup at the end, and it works also so good. In terms of makeup, and you are not going to see me talk a lot about makeup, but maybe like from time to time. So the first one is, I would say, an old favorite. This is this one, the Shape Tape from Tarte. So my color is, good question, what is my color? I actually don't know. Oh, it's light. So my color is light. So this one has a pink undertone. What I love about the Shape Tape is that it is one of those few concealers that are very high coverage, and also that I don't need to set because I never put any powder under my eyes, or else it just dries out my skin and also emphasizes the fine lines, which is not something that I want. And I mostly concentrate the concealer just here on my inner corner where I have the most of dark circle. I tend to wear concealer almost every single day. The other product, which is a sort of foundation, a BB foundation, whatever the name, I've also talked about it on my channel, is this one from Anessa. This is the Perfect UV Sunscreen Skincare BB foundation. I'm addicted to this stuff, like literally. I've been wearing this one almost every single day. So my shade is shade number 1. Unfortunately, if you have lighter skin tone than mine, or you have a super dark skin, you won't have your shade, which is very unfortunate. What I love about this one is that it does have some coverage. It's not a crazy coverage. I'm not someone who likes to have like a super heavy coverage on my skin, but what I like about it is the finish, because the finish is slightly matte. So when I am trying or using a sunscreen that is pretty oily, it has a shiny feeling, a shiny finish. It's not really pleasant. You just apply a little bit of this one and everything works like a charm. Also, it is pretty long lasting on the skin. So if you are someone with fair skin like mine, you are into makeup or you just don't want to go outside with bare skin without any makeup, definitely you use your sunscreen and you can try this one. On top, it has also an excellent blend of UV filters, so you just add an extra layer of sun protection. Love this product. The last product is my favorite, I would say, body moisturizer of this month, but also for my hands, because like I said, currently we wash our hands like maniacs. So my hands were like completely destroyed and I need a moisturizer, especially during the day, that is lightweight, but at the same time deeply moisturizing and protective. And I don't want to have any sticky hands or etc. So what I've been using is this one. This is the Curel, the Moisture Milk. This is also one of my favorite body moisturizer. If you want to know more, go and check my video about Curel. Love this product. And when I go outside, I use this sunscreen on top of my hands. When I'm mostly inside, I use the Purito just on top of my hands. So I hope you like this video. Please comment down below and tell me if you want me to do more often my monthly favorites. Of course, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel and to ring the little bell to not miss any of my new videos. You can also check my Instagram account. I am Cyril Laurent. I have a lot of stuff over there. Also on Sunday, I do skincare question. I basically answer your skincare question. Again, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Au revoir.